You don't need a raise right now. You need control because right now your salary running out before you do. Let's be real. You get paid, you feel all right for a few days, then slowly things start pulling from your money. Bills, food, transport, little spending. Nothing feels big, but by mid-month, you are already feeling it. And the frustrating part, you're working, you're earning, but still end up back at zero. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not how much you earn, it's how your money is set up. Right now, everything is coming from one place. So every time you spend, you're dipping into something. Bills money, food money, future money, all mixing. So you don't notice the damage until it's already done. Mistake number one, treating your salary like one number. You see one figure, so you use it freely. That's where control gets lost. Mistake number two, handling things as they come. You wait until bills show up, then try to figure it out. That's reacting. Mistake number three, no weekly limit. You're thinking monthly, but spending happens every day. So money just chips away. You don't need anything complicated. You need a simple way to organize your money. Step one, split your salary first. Before you spend anything, you divide your money. Bills, living to include food and transport, and personal. Same structure every time. Step two, lock bills early. Handle your fixed expenses first. Rent, light, phone, etc. That removes pressure immediately. Step three, control living money weekly. Take your food plus transport money and break it into weeks. Now you know your limit. No guessing. Step four, keep personal money separate. This is your free spending, but once it's done. No pulling from bill money. Next time you get paid, don't rush to spend. Split your money first. Even if it's not perfect, just start. If your money isn't separated and controlled like this, it will always feel like it's disappearing. You can usually see this pattern show up in how people operate as the month goes on. So here's the shift. Stop using one pool. Split your money early, secure your bills, control spending weekly. That's how you take back control. Now, if you want to actually follow this and see results, you need a clear plan. Next video, how to take control of your money in 30 days, the Jamaica plan. Watch that next. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.